So here I've discussed very important topic that is called how to create a WordPress website with a lifetime free domain. Why you can give the free domain for lifetime? Is it means when you purchase any hosting for WordPress, based on the package they give for lifetime free domain. Any purchase of WordPress hosting, they will be not provide any unlimited WordPress hosting. They're limited for one website, limited space, limited bandwidth. Or one website, unlimited space, unlimited bandwidth. You can go for 3 or 5 websites. It's total unlimited bandwidth, unlimited space. Along with the providing for free domain, the lifetime free domain. The when hosting renewal, automatically the domain also will be free for lifetime. In the future, if you change that WordPress hosting, the domain will be charged. The domain will be charged. So any package will be showing for limited 69 rupees per month. 69 rupees per month. If you go for unlimited, 210 rupees per month. But any purchase hosting, first year will be give discount for up to 50%. So any domain will be purchased of hosting. It will be purchased for 1 month or 1 year, 2 years or 3 years. Up to any hosting will be purchased up to 3 years. More than 3 years we can't purchase. Now this will be 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years and 3 years. When purchased for 3 years, every month will be 210 rupees. Every month will be 210 rupees. If you purchase for monthly, it will be 350 along with the tax. You're going for 400. Change your for each month will be charged for WordPress hosting. This will be only for particular one domain with a lifetime free domain. Space unlimited, bandwidth unlimited, email account unlimited, SSL also will be free. Means how many website? Total one website. Here, 3 website will be host on the WordPress package, 490 rupees per month. Here condition also applied. When you purchase 3 years, it will be 490. See this one. First year, first month, 630 per month will be charged. For 3 domains, if you hosting for WordPress, they will be charged per month. 630 rupees per month will be charged. It will be providing for lifetime free domain. Lifetime free domain are not for the 3 domains. It is only for one domain. 3 hosting, one domain. One hosting, they give the one free domain option. So only WordPress, we can purchase your hosting will be 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years and 3 years. In other hostings will be purchased 1 month or monthly we continue, or else 1 year, 2 years and 3 years. Any hosting you can purchase up to 3 years will be provided by the hosting providers. Please note down this all options. What are the package will be providing? Host one website, lifetime free domain, unlimited space, unlimited bandwidth, unlimited email account, free SSL certificate, Jetpack, free version.